So, thank you everyone for joining today's session. This is 5 days workshop on the gratitude, and this is in the continuation of the journey what we have started from the forgiveness. We have spent the 5 days for the forgiveness, and now we are moving to the after giving the acceptance, we are moving further for gratitude. So, the difficult part was the forgiveness, which is already covered by everyone. So, I'm so happy one and another person is getting the benefit of the forgiveness. So, we did that forgiveness journey with full faith, with full clearance of our thoughts, with full heartedly. Yes, this is we are doing for ourselves. After doing the forgiveness, what we have done, we have spent the 5 days for the acceptance. So, when we are spending the more than one day, when we are spending more than um, l- like 5 days, if we are spending in particular thing, so that means it is a part of our daily routine. We cannot forget that. So, these are the virtues we are learning for our journey, lifetime journey, and we can use these whenever it is required in the life. So, forgiveness done, acceptance done, we are wonderfully adopting everything, and we are again at the gratitude. So, gratitude is my most favorite topic, and I used to discuss this for 28 days, 5 days, 7 days, anytime, anywhere. This is the one tool which I feel like if somebody required to solve anything in their life, they can do it with the gratitude. If you have the gratitude, you can handle anything from anywhere. You will get the benefit directly from the universe if you have the gratitude. It is so awesome. And when you will learn this art to implement the gratitude in your day to day life, you will see lot of magical moments in your life. Thank you moments are in your life, and it will give you so much strength. You will see, I can solve this with the gratitude, I can solve that with the gratitude. However, I believe for vibrating on the gratitude, we should first give the forgiveness, we should accept everything in our life. So that is the reason we kept the sequence in that way. So now come to what is gratitude. Everybody knows gratitude is giving the thank you to the person, to the event, to the anything which is coming to our life. We should be feeling grateful, and we should feel so much powerful. For example, this is just like a blessing of the universe. Whatever I am doing, whatever I'm eating, whatever I'm thinking, whatever I am drinking, everything is just like a blessing of the universe, and we should remember that life is full of blessings. Life is there to bless you, life is there to help you to enjoy the life actually. So, day one, let's come to the gratitude. What we are going to do on the day one. So, day one is the tomorrow day, and we will do this activity all over the day. Okay, so tomorrow is the weekend also. You can do as much as you can. We have to give to the gratitude to our past. As we, this is the style of our journey. Like, first we will make our past comfortable. It should be like support for us, it should be the strength for us, it should not be the complaint for us. So let's connect here tomorrow with the past. And when you will do that, what you will do, you can give the gratitude to your forefathers. You can give the gratitude who left this world and very much beloved of yours. So just recall in your memory tomorrow and give the gratitude. Find out why you are so grateful. You can recall your forefathers, your grandparents who are not in the body now, but you can send the gratitude to them. You can cook something and just give it to somebody to eat that, or you can also yourself eat that and put all the blessings of your grandparents in that particular food, and consider that as a blessing. So we have to take the blessings from all the forefathers and our grandparents and our past. In our childhood, what we have done, we have to give the gratitude. How I was in my childhood. Definitely all the people have the mixed kind of the feelings or the memories of the childhood. Some memories are good and some memories are bad. However, consciously we are not going to recall the bad memories of the past. That is not the agenda of the workshop. Agenda of the workshop is just go there and collect the positive memories of your childhood. Take some moments which make you feel happy. Go there, visit there, find out, and give the gratitude. So, similar way, and give the gratitude to. Yes. So give the gratitude to your when you are a young kid or you are a college going person and you got the job, whatever like you felt that is your past. So consider that your age and give the gratitude to your childhood, to your young age, and whatever you like about your past. Maybe you were in love with someone sometime, you can recall that moment. Maybe you got a beautiful gifts, direct blessing from the universe. You can recall those moments. Whatever is coming from your past, bring only the positive places and give the gratitude. I am really grateful for that. I am really grateful for that. So when we learn the art of acceptance, when we learn the art of the forgiveness, we forgiven everything which we didn't like, we are letting go to that all these things, then we accepted our past however it is. I am accepting everything in my past. Whatever happened, that happened to good for me. I am really accepting my past. Now I am finding the positive points from the past. So I am again going there and collecting the gratitude points. Yes, I am grateful. I went there. I am grateful. I got that gift from the person. I'm really grateful for that person. I'm really grateful for that ceremony. I went there. So, whatever comes to your mind, give the gratitude all the day and tomorrow to your past. Okay, so let me brief the activities again. So, we have to share the thank you moment in the group as we used to share always. Second thing, during the three time the day, you have to give the gratitude to your past. Third thing, you have to give the gratitude to your forefathers, your elders who are in the life or who are left the world. You have to give the gratitude to them. Sometimes some beloved are not there, so you can send the gratitude awesome feelings to them also. Okay, by that way, we will give tomorrow's day for our past and forefathers. So, this is all about from my side. We will connect tomorrow at 9 o'clock again for day 2 gratitude. Thank you so much for joining and giving so much love. God bless you all.